Go to like Starbucks and just have it on the table and just be like looking at people, just going, just look them right in the eye while you're doing it. Just like, you just be like a beast. Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm your host, Brad Guthrow, and Jessica will be joining us very soon. Before we get started in today's video on how to improve your grip strength so you can lift heavier weights, do us a huge solid and click that like button right down there. It helps tell the YouTube algorithm to get our videos out to more people so we can actually help transform the lives of more people. And if you're new to the channel, if you want to learn how to live lean 365 days a year, we can help you do that. Click that red subscribe button down below with notifications turned on. So in this video, we're going to be showing you different products that can help improve your grip strength. So every single product that we show you, you can get it in the link down below. With that said, let's get into today's video. Tiffany Mac at TMacAttack on Twitter. I like that name, TMacAttack. Do you have any tips to improve grip strength when heavy lifting?
Yes, absolutely. We have lots of tips on that. You did a video, right?
Yeah, I did a video on the 6 exercises to develop stronger forearms. So forearms will lead to stronger grip. And some of the things I talked about in that was, it's called a fat grip. So it's like a big blue implement that you'd put onto a barbell.
It's like an attachment. To
make the grip thick. So when you have a thicker grip, like just doing this, my forearms are like,
ripped, bro.
Shredded right now. Like when you have to grip something like that, it's gonna pull in more motor units to really build grip strength. So try that out. Also, like when I was growing up, I was a hockey player. I always wanted to develop more wrist strength for shooting. There's like a stick that you can get. You could put a rope to the stick that ties into a plate, and then you just like twirl the wrist like this, and then the string goes up and up, and that's one of my faves.
So if you really want to work just your hand like strength, you can use a squeeze ball, like a stress ball, I think it's called.
But be badass, be like Chuck Norris and get one of those, the clamp things, like just like sit there like.
It's like the thigh master for your hands.
Go to like Starbucks and just have it on the table and just be like looking at people, just going, just look them right in the eye while you're doing it. Just like, you just be like a beast.
With that angry look, like you're gonna beat them up.
Yeah.
But those things really do work, and it's exhausting. Like you'll actually feel sore in your hands the next day after using that, but do that frequently. Also do the lifts frequently that you're trying to get better grip strength for. Like if it's for deadlifts, then do deadlifts often. If it's for pull-ups, do pull-ups often. That helps.
And the last thing that we have found that helps with grip strength are these Bear Gripz gloves. Now we've been loving these lately for our bar workouts. They help provide optimal grip strength. They also prevent tearing up your hands. They're breathable, they're moisture wicking, and they can protect your hands from germs. Another great thing is they're touchscreen friendly, so you can follow your LiveLeanTV workout program directly on your phone without having to take off your gloves. There's a link down in the video description below. Use discount code LiveLeanTV to save some money. To find the best workout and nutrition program for you, go take our Live Lean Body Quiz. Answer 4 simple questions and we'll get you on the best program based on your goals. Every training program includes warm-ups, workouts, cool downs, and nutrition plans. We have it all. Go take the Live Lean Body Quiz here. Question of the day: what do you do to help build grip strength? Share your experiences in the comments section below. So now go watch this video right over here on the 6 exercises to increase your grip strength.